Your home is heating up, and it will only get worse. The electric bill for the air conditioning is going to be through the roof. Additionally, running traditional air conditioning can be expensive and harmful to your health. AC units use a lot of energy and can actually make your home less healthy by circulating dust, pollen, and other allergens in your home. Here's why a whole house fan is worth the investment. 1. Cool your home and attic by up to 30 to 50 degrees and feels instantly 5 to 10 degrees cooler. With the active ventilation of a whole house fan, the powerful breeze coming through the windows in your home allow you to feel 5 to 10 degrees cooler within seconds of turning the whole house fan on. 2. Save up to 50 to 70% off on AC costs. You are saving tons of money on AC usage due to the energy efficiency the whole house fan brings. AC use can be cut dramatically or even entirely eliminated in specific climate zones with a whole house fan.
Hey, how are you doing that?
Doing what?
You're putting pennies in, man. Mine's only take bills.
With my Quiet Cool whole house fan, I can keep my home comfortable for a fraction of the cost of constantly running the AC.
A fraction, huh?
Yeah, and it's quieter too.
What?
It's quieter too!
Ah.
3. With the insane airflow and an adequately sized whole house fan that can bring into your home, you can say goodbye to cooking odor, pet dander, smoke, germs, gases, and other unwanted airborne annoyances. 4. Extend the life of your AC by up to 30 years and use a whole house fan to cool your home all day long. It will reduce the amount of time your AC is in operation during the year, prolonging its lifespan and the cost to repair or replace your AC system. Quiet Cool whole house fan gives your home a breath of fresh air while flushing out all airborne pathogens that can make you and your family sick. Whole house fan will dramatically improve your home's indoor air quality by expelling and ventilating the hot, stuffy, and polluted air. Experience a more cool and comfortable home today. For just pennies a day, you can replace the air in your home and enjoy healthier air quality. Whole House Fan Company has been installing whole house fans for more than 40 years. We are the only company that has installed 40,000 of these revolutionary whole house fans in homes across America, ensuring everyone is placed strategically to make your home as comfortable and energy efficient as possible. So, what are you waiting for? Click the button on this video right now to get your free in-home estimate.